Hello Muffins, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the last part of the plastic bottle recycle series. We will be making a pincushion which will also serve as a container. Here is a glimpse of it. So the top ice cream part is the pincushion and the bottom cup part is the container. So let's begin with the tutorial. The materials that you require are an empty plastic bottle, craft foam, felt fabric or any colored fabric, super glue, hot glue, cardboard, a needle and thread, some pillow stuffing, acrylic paints, scissors, pins, ruler and some decorative ribbon and also some pins. So for this craft we will only use the top part of the bottle. Smoothen the edges out with a scissor. I have linked part 1 and part 2 of the plastic bottle recycle series on the top. You do not need the cap of the bottle for this craft. Also cut off the seal. Place the bottle on a piece of cardboard like so. Cut it. You need 2 of these pieces. Take one of the pieces and glue some white craft foam over it. Cut off the excess. Repeat the same on the other side of the cardboard. Take a strip of craft foam of about half an inch in width and glue it to the edge of the cardboard piece like so. This will be the lid of your container. Now take the other piece and glue some black craft foam over it. Cut off the excess. Glue some white craft foam to the other side of the cardboard piece. This will be the base of your container. Take your bottle piece and paint it on the inside with some acrylic paint and leave it to dry. Once it's dry, cover it with the lid like so. Take a strip of white craft foam and glue it to the neck of the bottle to cover the ridges. Now glue the bottle piece to the base piece like so. Cover the edge of the base piece with some ribbon. You can also use craft foam for this. Now take some felt fabric, you can use any color that you want, and trace the bottle piece on it like so. I did this before I painted the bottle piece. Mark 1.5 inches outside your circle to form a bigger circle. Cut it out. With a needle and thread, sew a running stitch all around the circle. Pull the thread like so. Before you close it completely, stuff it with some pillow stuffing. pull the thread to close the opening. Knot it to secure your stitching. Take a different colored felt fabric piece, trace the bottle on it, and mark 2.5 inches away from this circle to form a bigger circle like so. Cut it and sew a running stitch all around it like you did for the earlier piece. Stuff it with some pillow stuffing. Close the opening and knot it to secure your stitching. Now take your bottle piece and glue the bigger felt piece over it. Then glue the smaller piece over it. Take a foam strip of about 1 centimeter in width and glue it to the cap of the container. Twist it like so and keep gluing it at regular intervals. So I added this piece all around the cap of the container. To add some more decoration, I cut a felt fabric piece like so and glued it to the cap. Take some more strips of white craft foam and glue it to the bigger felt piece. Twist it and glue it all around. I added another line of the same white craft foam strip. I wanted this to look like cream. Take a strip of pink and white craft foam of about 0.5 centimeters in width. Glue the white foam over the pink foam like so. Leave a small gap on the top. Roll the strips like so. Glue the ends. This piece to look like candy, and I created another one with blue and white craft foam. Now take some light brown felt and roll it to form sort of a stick. The ends. Cut a really thin strip of dark brown felt and glue it to the light brown piece like so. I wanted this to look like a chocolate stick. I made another piece with different colored felt. Now cut the endings of one of the sticks in a slant like so. Glue it on top of the purple felt piece. Repeat the same with the other piece. Now glue the candy pieces to the structure. I also made a bow with some craft foam and glued it to the plastic piece like so. Lastly, I made a cherry with some red fabric and glued it on the top. because the top part is soft, it can be used as a pin cushions. I like this idea because the pins actually look like sprinkles on the ice cream. And I'm using the bottom cup part as a container. Let's go. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and I hope you will try this craft. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.